What's up YouTube? I'm Kyle. Welcome to DIY Buildouts. So today we're gonna build 4 drawers to go underneath our kitchen sink. They're all gonna be on sliders, so it's gonna make an otherwise kind of unorganized and useless space a very practical and useful space. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Now for this project, I chose to use 3/4 inch thick Baltic birch all the way around, for the sides and the base. Typical cabinets are about 3/4 inch thick on the sides, and then they'll use a 1/4 inch thick for the bottom. But because I like overdoing things for rigidity, I went with 3/4 inch thick for sides and bottom. Okay guys, the left side of the cabinet is now complete. We still have to do some dress up, let these things finish gluing. We're gonna edge band them with some veneer so it all matches and doesn't look like plywood. But these two need to go over there and sit and dry for 24 hours. And now we can get started on the right side. Now a little pro tip for you, if you want to save your iron's face from all that glue on the bottom of the veneer, cover it in foil and a little bit of painter's tape. Now what you're looking at here is the top of that one panel covered in the birch veneer. So now it looks like one solid piece of birch, and you cannot tell that it was a plywood base versus the sides, which I have yet to finish veneering. Look at these bad boys, these things look great. Now for the upper left drawer, I did not have a right slide mount option. There was no frame there, so I just doubled up the framing on the left-hand side, which made it super rigid. It came out fantastic, and I would recommend this application for anybody that's in a similar situation. Now for the bottom here, I went ahead and I put these on 3/4 inch risers so that the dishwasher hose that came in through the side of the cabinet could easily be pulled out and adjusted if need be. And here you can see that the slide goes over top of that, comes out perfectly. Okay guys, so the project is now complete. The bottom drawers have been installed just like this side drawer. So let's just do a little demo. Here we go. Now, one of the most complex bits in the entire build was this right side. I had to deal with the face frame and also the kitchen disposal. But, as you can see, if you take your measurements properly, you can get within a few millimeters and utilize all that extra storage space under your sink. That's all for this one. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button below and the little bell icon so you can get notified when I post future projects. I have a bunch of really cool ones coming up. Alright, thanks for watching. Take care.